Winter is roaring right back into Kentuckiana. Hey, yesterday we were talking about some thunderstorms and some little lightning strikes, and Louisville's now preparing for it. We were on the roads earlier today. Look at the white stripes. You can follow along there. That is the brine that has been sprayed, the saltwater mixture that is drying on the roadways. That video, moving video there from our photojournalist, Connie Offit.
And Chief Meteorologist Mallory Schnell is now tracking those storms for us. And Mallory, we're talking about a little after 8 o'clock. We're going to be seeing the snow around here.
You know, I got to say, I was proud of myself for getting this photo because the brine trucks are elusive. They're elusive, Connie. They move fast. You never see them, but you see their great work with the saltwater brine.
Where is your courtesy, Doug Prophet?
I know it. I zoomed in. That was a nice zoom in on the camera.
Yes. Great job there, Doug. Great job. Yes, they've been out. They were out on the roads when I left work last night here in downtown Louisville. So they are brining the roads. And the good news is temperatures tonight will be hovering really on either side of that freezing mark. So that is really the nice conditions for that brine to work and for the crews to be able to clear the roads very efficiently. But tonight we are expecting accumulating snow showers through the overnight hours. Sweet spot is somewhere between 7 p.m. and 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. And so you need to allow yourself some extra time to get where you need to go, especially if you have to travel overnight. Say you're heading in for the overnight shift at work. Plan for some snow-covered roads, at least at first, until the crews are able to get out there and clear the roads. Road conditions should greatly improve and quickly improve throughout the day on Friday. But take a look at the current alerts here. All this purple winter weather advisory stretching across the region. I think you can tell where this clipper is coming from the northwest. And we do have some of that deep blue here in Kentuckiana, just to the north and northeast of Louisville. This is where we have a winter storm warning. That's a step above a winter weather advisory. And that's where we could see 3 to 4, maybe even up to 5 inches of snowfall tonight and into early tomorrow morning. Satellite and radar, it looks like it's on our doorstep. Not all this is reaching the ground. I just checked the cameras around Evansville, Indiana, not reaching the ground just yet. But once the air and atmosphere does saturate, we are expecting some pretty steady snow showers through the overnight period. And temperatures today really only made it up into the mid-30s. So we're basically hovering right around that freezing mark, and that's where we will stay as we carry on into this evening and tonight. Your hour-by-hour futurecast here, you can see that snow becoming steadier sometime after 7 o'clock tonight. We may have a period of a mix, some sleet mixing in, especially down to the south of the parkways there this evening, before we see that full transition over to steady snow showers here. So this is 10, 11, midnight. It starts to lift to the north and northeast, which is another reason why we'll see that cut off to the south and southwest with totals. And then this does look to clear as we head into the early morning hours tomorrow. Those temperatures upper 30s, right around 40 degrees. So your snowfall forecast, you can see that cut off to the south. The highest band, it's wanting to sneak a little bit further to the south here. That's a 2 to 5 inch range. I think Louisville, sweet spot, 2 to 4 inches there. And then lower amounts the farther south and southwest that you do go of I-64. We're tracking yet another snow shower chance that will be moving in from the north late Saturday into Saturday night. And that will be harder to clear off the roads because of these temperatures on Sunday. We'll have lows in the single digits, wind chills below 0, highs in the teens. But next week, looking a lot better, back into the 40s by Tuesday.
All right. Thank you, Mallory.